Hi, welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw a cupcake. Let's start off by drawing a big sideways hook shape. Then, draw a line that curves down and to the left, connecting to the start like so for the first layer of icing. Next, draw a C shape that starts where we left off, follows the shape of the curve below, and then rounds back to this point here for the second layer of icing. For the third layer, draw a similar line on top that rounds back, follows the curve below, but stops here. And for the top layer, start here and curve up to a sharp point, then back down and round it to this point here. For the bottom of the cupcake, start by drawing two very short curves on either side like so, followed by a zigzag that runs across the bottom of the icing. Draw a line on either side that tapers towards the middle slightly. Then, close out the shape with a rounded bottom like so. For the wrapper texture, draw some lines going down from the points of the zigzag, but not touching the bottom. Lastly, decorate your cupcake with sprinkles. You can draw long, thin rectangles for normal sprinkles, or small circles for dot-shaped sprinkles, or you can even draw little heart sprinkles. And now you've got a cupcake.